everybody and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm on camera with nothing on my eyebrows that do need tinting, so excuse the really bad or lack of eyebrows. So I'm starting off by using the ordinary mineral blemish formula and then going straight in with the ordinary surface hydration formula. It looks like I found it funny that I dropped it all over the floor, but never mind. So just moisturise that into my face, clip my hair out of the way and go straight in with my P. Louise base, Room number 2, and the flat acid rain brush that you get in the, well, I got like a little pack, acid rain pack. And I'm just popping that all over the lid and around the eyebrow because I do my base first now before I actually do my eyebrows. So I'm going straight on with the concealer from Makeup Revolution, covering the millions of blemishes I have, and then I'm blending it straight out, going in with my foundation in 10 CP in Stay Naked by Urban Decay. As you can see, I'm very pale at the moment, so I'm having to match a foundation to the paleness. I'm then going in with the P. Louise base in Room 07 to contour. When I first did this, I thought, oh my god, look at the bloody state of me. But it does turn out okay, I promise. And then after I've applied it, I'm just blending it out with a clean beauty blender, and then on the top of that I'm going back with the beauty blender I use for my foundation. Then to set it, I'm using my MAC Light Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm just popping that underneath the eyes, on the forehead and underneath the chin. I'm then going in with my contour, my god I can't speak today, Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's minging, I've used it loads, I've moaned about it before. And then going in with my Benefit GimMe Brow in number 3, just to add some definition to the hairs that I've actually managed to grow whilst in lockdown. I figured out that most of my hairs are actually blonde, so I have got a tint that I'm now tint my eyebrows, and I do have a lot more hair. Yay! I mean, when I say a lot more hair, it's not a lot of hair compared to most people, but for me, I'm happy. So I'll just do the exact same thing with the other brow, just brushing through the hairs just so they get a bit of colour, and you can just see it just looks like I've got a lot more hair on my eyebrows. And then going in with my Revolution Pro eyebrow pencil, and I'm just go underneath, and then I'll draw like hair stroke motions towards the end, and then I go right up towards the centre of my face. I'm trying to make it look as natural as possible because I'm fed up of having blocky brows all the time. And then going back in with my P. Louise base just to carve out any waves or strays, and I do have a few hairs underneath that actually do need plucking, but I'm scared of plucking at the moment. Just a bit of blusher, the usual by Benefit. Then I'm going back in with my P. Louise base all over the lid because you can see they've actually creased. And then I'm going in with the 24A Artist Pass by Morphe. Look at those colours. I have used it quite a few times now and I really like it. So then I'm going in with the colour Major Inspo. It's like a purpley colour, and I'm just taking that in the crease and just above the crease, and I'm hardly touching the lid. I'm literally doing it as soft as I can. And then going in with the colour Max Volume, and I'm doing the 50-50 rule where it's half on the purple colour I've just put on and half on the top of the lid. And then I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other eye. And then I'm going back on top with Get the Shot. I can't keep up with these clips. I feel like I'm talking mega fast. Too fast, but hey ho. And then just getting a wipe and wiping away any excess because I'm going to be cutting the crease. And the item I'm cutting the crease with is the Mitchell Acid Rain collaboration with P. Louise all over the lid. It is the best, it sets the best, and it covers the best. I am then going back in with the colour Get the Shot all over the lid, but I did actually change my mind halfway through and decided to use Desert Vibes all over the lid, and then my bloody phone decided to stop recording. I was pissed off, as you can tell, so I blended it out towards the end using the same colours I used in my crease. So I will show you on the next eye actually what I did after the camera cut off. So you get max volume, try and blend it into the desert vibes, then you get major inspo and go towards the end just to make it all blend together. And I can't stand any sharp or harsh lines during my makeup application. This is a new product I got. It's actually come on the day that I'm filming this. It's the Badder Black Base by P. Louise, and I'm going to use it as an eyeliner because I find the eyeliners I've used in the past crack in the corner and it really annoys me. They're not black enough, so I'm giving it a go. I'm using the Acid Rain P. Louise brushes I got in my set, and let's just see how it goes. I will have to set this with a powder because it is one of the P. Louise bases and they stay tacky, so after I've done this I do set it with a black eyeshadow. I just use the Urban Decay, I think it's called Blackout colour. How many times do you think I'm going to say P. Louise in this video? My god. And then I'm taking the Prime and Define in the colour Extra as F, and as you can probably always guess, it is by Shock P. Louise. And then popping some lashes on. I like to pop the lash glue in the centre and the outer parts of my lid just to make sure it sticks. I don't know what I'm doing here, having a little dance. I look silly. But anyway, so I'm just sticking those lashes on. So I'm just popping some lip gloss on my lips. It's just a Jeffree Star Peach lip gloss because I wasn't sure which lipstick to put with this. And then for highlighter, I'm actually using out of the palette a mixture of Private Oasis and Front Row. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I didn't even realise that the eyeshadow colours match the eyeshadow palette I've got. I didn't actually mean to do that. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. So thank you and bye.